in the world? Hold on, that could have been KZZ46.
Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Parkersburg, Cookville, Ford Run State Park, Tuppers Plains, Lubeck, Mineral Wells, Chester, Belleville, Reedsville, Rockport, Davisville, Darwin, Walker, and Harrisonville. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Report flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a flash flood warning remains in effect until 3:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in West Virginia, Jackson, Wirt, and Wood, and the following counties in Ohio, Athens, and Meigs.
You're serious
Here's
right
the
now.
forecast for Athens.
I just got bullied through on KZY68 and got a flash flood statement on KZZ46.
For tonight, mostly cloudy with scattered showers with isolated thunderstorms.
Why am I even getting that good right now?